Hello leaders and future leaders, this is Retired Sergeant First Class Beitz. In this video, we are going to discuss how pay raises work in the Army National Guard and take a look at this large proposed pay raise for 2023. I will also give you step-by-step instructions showing you exactly how to determine your own personal pay in the Army National Guard. Please do me a favor and hit that like button before you exfil from this video, as well as subscribe if you haven't done so already. I have a huge giveaway coming at 10,000 subscribers to reciprocate the love that my viewers have given me since the start of this channel. How pay raises work. There are 3 ways to receive a raise in the National Guard, and 2 of them are basically guaranteed yearly, granted you abide by your enlistment contract, which means maintaining the height and weight standard, passing your physical fitness test, being at the appointed place in the correct uniform at the specified time. Raise 1 comes every year on your enlistment anniversary date, also known as your pay entry base date or PEBD. This is the day you enlisted into the National Guard. Raise 2 is a cost of living adjustment or COLA. It comes at the start of the fiscal year with the purpose of increasing your salary to counteract inflation. Let's jump onto the Army National Guard website so I can show you exactly how to determine your pay. From Google, we will type in National Guard. We will skip the first link and go down here where it'll bring us to their home screen. You should appreciate having access to all this information at your fingertips because us old timers pretty much went into serving blind. In the top right corner, click on these 3 horizontal bars. This opens a menu with a whole list of informative options. Under the Benefits tab, click on Guard Pay. This opens the pay calculator. Most of you will click on Enlisted, then click Continue. Here you will select your rank and then your time in service. We will do an E4 with 4 years time in service, and there you have your calculations. It shows your drill, annual training, and active duty pays, along with a minimal annual pay amount. The 3rd raise in the National Guard is earned through promotion. In the ranks of E1 through E4, all promotions will be automatic. Again, granted you are meeting the requirements of your contract. Promotions are where you will see the largest raise. Watch my promotions video to learn how to get promoted in the Army National Guard. Video link in the description. Projected pay raise for 2023. The White House and Congress have proposed a 4.6% pay raise for the military in 2023, the largest in nearly 2 decades. Now, this raise will come at the beginning of the fiscal year. This is a very significant COLA raise, with inflation being so overwhelming in the United States. If you are currently serving, you will receive this raise, and if you enlist after the raise has been implemented, these numbers will be reflected on your paycheck as well. If I were still serving on active duty with my rank and time in service, this raise would make me an additional $521 per month. I will link the proposed 2023 pay charts in the video description. If you have any questions or are having trouble calculating what your pay will be using these charts, just shoot me a comment and I will assist. Please like the video on your way out and subscribe to the channel. This is Sergeant First Class Beitz. I'm out.